The age of humanoid robots is no longer science fiction. It's happening now. Within just a few years, robots that walk, talk, think, and even smell like us will be working in factories, helping in hospitals, and maybe even cooking in our kitchens. Before we dive deeper into what's coming, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. The future is fast approaching. Let's talk about it together. For years, robots have been used in predictable environments like factories and warehouses. But thanks to breakthroughs in AI, machine learning, and computer vision, that's changing fast. These machines are learning to adapt, understand speech, recognize emotions, and even make real-time corrections, all on their own. Mass production of humanoid robots is expected to begin in 2025. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Unitree are gearing up for commercial readiness, with Tesla already planning limited production of its Optimus robot. Optimus is designed to handle repetitive or dangerous tasks with features like enhanced balance, delicate object handling, and improved mobility. According to a report by Third Bridge, the first industries to benefit will be manufacturing and new energy vehicle production. But the impact will spread quickly. By 2040, estimates suggest there could be up to 10 billion humanoid robots operating worldwide. One of the most impressive players in the space is Boston Dynamics. Their Atlas robot is capable of jumping, squatting, and navigating uneven terrain. Hyundai is planning to acquire tens of thousands of Boston Dynamics robots and will help scale production. AI is what's truly powering this revolution. Chips like Google's Willow quantum processor and NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture are making it possible for robots to think and adapt faster than ever. Some robots are even being fitted with noses. iNose, in partnership with Japanese robotics firm Ugo, created a robot that can detect smells. This tech could save lives by identifying gas leaks, detecting infections, and improving health and safety in homes and hospitals. And there's more. Soft robotics and synthetic materials are making these robots look and feel increasingly human. Engineers are creating robots with flexible joints and skin-like surfaces, bringing us even closer to lifelike machines. This shift isn't just about automation, it's about transformation. Reports from analysts like Peter Diamandis suggest that humanoid robots could drive a new era of abundance, reducing the cost of goods and freeing people to focus on creative, meaningful work. Some projections put the market value as high as $24 trillion by 2035. So what's next? Imagine a world where your assistant isn't just on your phone, but walking beside you. Robots that sniff out hazards, solve scientific problems in seconds, and learn just like humans. The future is almost here. Watch the video in the corner to learn how AI is transforming the workplace right now.